I close my eyes and start to begin dreaming. Thinking of you, I start to begin fiending. For a kiss and for a hug and for a touch. I get this yearning feeling deep down in my gut. But I need the time to figure out just what I want. And if you're patient and understand me, maybe you'll be the one. But I need the time to figure out just what I want. I hope you understand, maybe someday you'll be the one. These words can't explain or express how I feel for you. My main motive for me is to keep it real with you. Wanna lay back, kick back and just chill with you. Conversate and both laughing for things we think is a crack up. Now let me beat the back up. Yeah, that's us, ain't no need to act up. Time ain't gonna stop until you tell me to stop. That means time ain't gonna quit until you tell me to quit. A touchy subject, but let me touch your body. I touch you in places that make us both feel naughty. Yeah, lottie-dottie, Dom likes to party. Bring that putty here and then me shoot off like a shotty. 1 shot, 2 shot, headshot, body shot, non-stop, tick-tock, messing up your body clock. And I keep going like the Energizer Bunny. Ain't funny, it's your boy Tony. You can holler anytime you want it. You're so gorgeous, yeah, you're so flawless in the way you do it. I can't explain it, you got me chasing you, and I'm wanting more. And it's the way that you do your hair, and I can't help but stare. See, I can't help but watch you, yeah, I got to stare. See, I can't help but wonder if you feel the same way about me. That's it. I can't help but watch ya. Damn, I got to stare. Yeah, see, I can't help but wonder if you feel the same way about me.